Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover a Hotmail password without a phone number and alternate email. Recovering a Hotmail password without a phone number or alternate email can be necessary if you no longer have access to the provided recovery options. Firstly, go to the homepage of Outlook.com. Tap on Inbox from the left bar menu. There are no messages in the inbox for now. You can also scan the QR code with your phone camera to download Outlook Mobile. Now in the new tab, open your Gmail, open the security code mail and note the code. Now go back to recover your email tab. Enter the security code here and then tap on verify. After that, an account recovery form for your email will appear. If possible, answer these questions from a device and location that you've used before with this account. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, country, city, and postal code. Now in your web browser, type recover Hotmail account. Enter your email to sign in and click on next. Then for verification, select a way to get your security code. Click on I don't have any of these. Now recover your account page and then it should be opened. Enter an email address that is different from the one you are trying to recover. Now scroll down and enter the characters you see. For example, here I see DKWY. After that, click on next. Make sure to enter an email address that is different from your previous email address. Now the code has been sent to a new email address. Check it and then enter it. Enter the correct email. Different characters have been shown now. Enter them. Then click on next. Now the code has been sent to a new email address. Please check it and then enter it. That is how you can recover a Hotmail password without a phone number and an alternate email. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.